Let's do it.
C
C
O
O
N
N.
C.
We offer refreshments.
Wow, I should start. I got to pull out my money. We're sitting in the neighbor's driveway. They said it was okay. Now we're getting ice cream bars.
Keep going.
Yeah. Here it goes. Woo, Daniel. The curly trucks. Look. 2 curly trucks.
There's another one.
There's another one. It's waiting.
Let's give him the bad guy.
Yeah.
What's that on top?
What's on top? Is that a smokestack?
It is.
Yes, it is. There it is.
This is smoke.
Mm-hmm.
This is smoke.
That's right. Daniel, is it going around in a circle?
It is.
Okay, eat your cheeseburger.